What's up, everybody? My name is Vince. Welcome to the channel. If this is your first time here, you might not know that for 2018, we've been putting together some holiday gift guides for the tradespeople in your life. Well, we didn't necessarily put them together. The Milwaukee Tool Corporation put a whole bunch of gift guides together, and we kind of looked them over. They weren't labeled per trade or organized in any particular manner like that. But when we looked at the contents of these gift guides for 2018 from Milwaukee Tool Corporation, we said, you know what? This would be perfect for this trade or that trade. And today we have one that you've all been asking for. Lots and lots of you. And this is my question for you. So many people have been asking for a holiday gift guide from Milwaukee. For electricians, my question is, are they all go, go, go? Do electricians never slow down to talk, to express their feelings, their wants, their needs? Is that the reason why you've been asking for this holiday gift guide so much? Well, that could be. And today, we're going to solve this communication problem. We're going to tell you what the electrician in your life wants for this holiday, because we're connected. Let's get started. So here it is. It's the cover page to what we feel is the Electrician's Tool gift guide for 2018. Why do I think this is the Electrician's Tool Guide? Well, quite frankly, it's got a whole bunch of screwdrivers, it's got lineman pliers, and it's got something that I think, it seems like every electrician that I meet, very particular about their hand tools, and they're very organized. All right, well, their hand tools are organized. I don't know if they're organized. I have never seen their desk, quite frankly, or, their sock drawer. But this pack-out organizer, it's the bee's knees. We're going to talk about that in a minute. So let's start with number one on the list. The M12 Fuel Hacksaw One-Handed Recip Saw. Boom, there it is. M12 Fuel Hacksaw is the fastest cutting, most powerful saw in its class, delivering 4 times more run time, up to 70% faster cutting, and up to 6 times longer tool life than competitive saws. Why? Because it's got the Power State brushless motor. It's got Red Link intelligence. And they're including in this kit an M12 Red Lithium XC 4.0 battery pack. Man, look at it. Think about it. They could be using the hacksaw with one hand, using their lineman plier in the other hand, be getting twice as much done with this one-handed operating hacksaw from Milwaukee. Pretty cool. I like it. I mean, think about all the stuff they could cut with this. The plumbers got in there first. Look, they put all this gas line in here ahead of my conduit and my pull boxes. Get the hacksaw. What, no good? Let's move on to number 2, the heated Axis vest. Now, this is really, I gotta tell you, this is the best of both worlds for the Axis line from Milwaukee. This is a heated vest. It has heat, you can see right here, in the chest and back area, okay? It's got a really good-looking outer shell, number 2. And the thing is that it leaves your arms free. Like, you don't feel hindered by the sleeves. You can put the vest, under a much larger, maybe not heated coat. Let's read it. It says, the Milwaukee M12 heated Axis vest are designed to protect from the cold and weather on the job site. Powered by the M12 Red Lithium battery technology, these heated vest kits use carbon fiber heating elements. Whoa, that's technology. These vests are built with Axis ripstop polyester, providing a lightweight, compressible design that can be used as an outer shell or a mid-layer vest and protecting from wind and water. Pretty cool. I know what you're thinking, though. How long do these vests and heated gear run on a 2.0 battery? If you wanted an answer to that question, take an inside look in this video here, where we talk about the runtime of the heated gear from Milwaukee. Go check it out. Let's move on to number 3. There they are. 8-piece screwdriver set with square drive. Look at that. So featuring hardened tips and forged shanks, the Milwaukee 10-piece screwdriver set provides professional-grade solutions and durability to the user. Bit types are marked on the cap of each tool for quick identification and increased efficiency. The comfortable tri-lobe handle allows users to comfortably apply more leverage. Look at that. Let's see what's included. It's an 8-piece screwdriver set with square drive. I like it. Visible ID markings allow for quick tool identification on the job site. Wrench-ready hex shanks. Now, that's what I like to be able to, if you needed more torque and leverage, you throw the wrench on the hex drive. Really is nice. Hex shank. Comfortable tri-lobes. This is what you get in Phillips number 1 by 3 inch. Phillips number 2 by 1.5 inches. Phillips number 2 by 4. Phillips number 2 by 6. Slotted 1/4 inch by 1.5 inches, slotted 1/4 inch by 4 inch, slotted 3/16 by 6 inches, slotted 5/16 by 6, square number 1 and square number 2. They must have been twin brothers. They never did anything exciting. Let's move on to number 4 on the list. It's the 15-inch pack-out tote. Why do I like this so much? Because it's a soft organizer that integrates with the Milwaukee pack-out system, and it allows for small tool, hand tool organization. I mean, what's not to like about it? If you want to know more about that pack-out system, go to this video here. Yo, that piece is awesome. Literally awesome. That one type of organizer that's included in the pack-out organization system sells me on the entire system. Look at it. I know. Look at that. Hand tools galore. Doesn't that look like your electrician friend's bag? Probably doesn't look as neatly organized. It definitely might not integrate into the pack out. Let us know down below though. Does your electrician loved one have this pack out tote? Is it organized just like this one? We want to know. Moving on, the M12 2.0 starter kit. Look at this is a 2.0 battery and a charger. Why do you want to get this starter kit? Well, you might need extra long runtime on the job site in your Axis jacket. Get your loved one the gift of warmth this holiday season by providing an extra 2.0 battery for their heated gear. Let's move on. And this is the one that really, this is product number 48-22-6502. They're the high leverage lineman pliers. When I saw this, after I saw the screwdrivers, then I saw the lineman's pliers, I was like, this is an electrician's kit. Our 9-inch high leverage lineman's pliers are designed to have maximum leverage and make easier cuts. These high leverage pliers feature hardened iron carbide cutting edges with optimized pivot design to allow you to cut ACSR hard wire and soft wire with ease. All of our pliers are forged for strength and feature rust protection with a limited lifetime warranty. Unbelievable. Look at it. Maximum leverage, cuts easier, dip grips. Doesn't everybody like to have the dip grip? Rust protection, cross-hatch knurled jaw assist with grip strength, wire cutter, forge strength, machine precision, a limited lifetime warranty. I gotta tell you, these are nice. And quite frankly, this is an awesome kit. I mean, maybe you don't have to be an electrician to love this kit. Maybe just anybody. Maybe the do-it-yourselfer in your life would like this kit. I don't know. But when I saw this kit, I said, this is for my electrician friends. And if you like YouTube creators that think about their electrician friends and say, hey, let's put together a holiday gift guide so people know what to get them this holiday season, then smash the like button. Also, if this is your first time here and you're not already, you're going to want to get subscribed because a lot of times we do emergency tool deal videos. It could be something on this list. It might be something else. It could be like, I don't know, the Milwaukee 10-inch double bevel compound motor saw that usually lists for $599. You know, we were getting them at $150, so we made an emergency tool deal video. The deal lasted like 2 days. A lot of people got in on the deal. A lot of people did not, and they missed out. You want to know why? Because they didn't tap the bell. You're going to want to do that. With that, I want to say I appreciate every single one of you being here. If you think that this is an awesome list, let us know down in the comments section below. If there's something missing, you're an electrician, you're a tradesperson, you say, you know what, I would have liked this in my stocking instead. Leave that down in the comments section below. We put the links to those items in the description to make it a little bit easier for all our friends out there in cyberspace to get their hands on them, because I appreciate you all so much. Everybody, I'll see you on the next one. Peace out.
Video's over, but I know you want more. So this is how you're going to get it. First thing you need to do is pretend you're this guy. And you're here at the birthplace of freedom. Now ring that bell like it's 1776 and let all notifications through. What? You're not subscribed yet? Well, smash this button here. After that, watch this video here, and maybe over here. See you later.